Hey there. Imagine driving an electric car that's affordable, powerful, and perfect for your daily life. That's exactly what the 2026 Chevrolet Bolt EV offers. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll know why Americans are already excited to get theirs. Price and value pitch. First off, let's talk price. Starting around $30,000. The Bolt EV is an EV everyone can afford, and yes, that includes federal EV tax credits, making it even more budget-friendly. If you've been thinking about going electric, this is your chance, no compromises. Full Chevy reliability included, performance and driving experience. Now, let's talk performance. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 6.5 seconds. Instant torque gives you that smooth, quiet, and exhilarating electric drive you want. And the range, about 300 miles per charge, plenty for your commute, weekend trips, or even longer adventures. Fast charging. You can get up to 80% in just 30 minutes, so you're back on the road in no time. Exterior and design. Look at this sleek, modern design. Compact enough to park in the city, but bold enough to stand out everywhere you go. Chevrolet has really nailed the style. Aerodynamic, sporty, yet practical. Trust me, people are going to notice. Interior and tech features. Step inside and it gets even better. 10.2-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and premium audio, all designed to make your drive smarter and more enjoyable. Safety, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and automatic emergency braking come standard. Plus, seats are spacious for 4 to 5 adults, and there's plenty of smart cargo space for groceries, luggage, or weekend gear. Future-proof and new features. And here's the kicker. Chevrolet promises software updates to make your Bolt EV even smarter over time. Optional AWD coming soon, perfect if you live in snowy areas or want extra off-road capability. And the materials inside, eco-friendly, sustainable, and high quality. You're driving the future today. Why you should buy? Convinced statement. So, why should you consider the 2026 Bolt EV? Affordable, reliable, long range, perfect for city life, family trips and commuting, and backed by Chevy's trusted American brand. Honestly, this EV is designed to make your life easier, greener, and way more fun. Call to action, close. If you're ready to experience the future of affordable EVs, don't wait. Like this video if you're excited about the 2026 Chevrolet Bolt EV. Subscribe to Next Gen Cars USA for more reviews and EV updates. Comment below. Would you get a Bolt EV for your family or daily commute?